My name is Joseph Andriano. I'm assistant professor of law here at Clarkson. I teach some of our law courses, and I also teach our business ethics course, both at the undergrad level and at the graduate level. This is a great resource for the college. I mean, one thing that I really like about the studio, not talking about how I use it in class, but just for the college as a whole, is that it's a dynamic space that anyone can come to and anyone can use really for any project that they're working on. I'll be passing by here just, on my way to class or on my way to a meeting or something, and there always seems to be people here in the studio sitting around the tables, using the resources. And I think what's nice is that it is an unstructured space. It doesn't have a particular structure to it. It can be really used for anything that anyone wants to use it for. So I decided to use the studio in class today because it was a bit of an unusual activity I was doing. We used a role play that I found in a journal that is focused on putting the students in the shoes of a pharmaceutical corporation. And I liked using the studio for things like that because, as I said earlier, it is an unstructured space. I would recommend to anyone that they use the studio for a class activity. I've used it traditionally for role plays. I've also used it for some more structured class discussions and things like that. And one thing that's great about using this, even for a structured class discussion, is, as you can see, all the walls are a whiteboard, and so we were able to use the walls as a whiteboard to make notes. Students were able to get up, walk around, use the space in new and innovative ways, and I think that can work for any sort of class. It can work for something like I did today, but it could work for anything where you want to get students up, engaged, moving around, working on a project. The studio is great for all of that stuff.